Hello everyone, I'm Shazia Sheikh. I'm working on iCounselor's project, live project on Play Store app analysis and visualization, which is basically a two-part project. In first part, we need to clean our data and find out insights from SQL queries, and in second part we need to do a visualization part. I'm working in a project cluster camp. Um, we have four group members: Abdul Javed, Masna, and Masna Ashraf, and Tanuja Rajput. I have used this file first. I have used this file to clean a data. This Python file is to clean a data. First, I have imported important libraries. There are two data sets: Play Store apps and Play Store reviews. Two data sets are there. First, I have loaded first data and then drop all the duplicates value. This is the shape of data set. Then I find out the percentage of null values in each column. Then this is the unique value present in each column. Here in category app, 1.9 is a unused value, unvaluable value, so I drop that value. Then in column of rating, I have placed 0 in place of nan values, and all the other nan values I drop. Then I converted this column name, rename that columns, and this is my final clean app data set. Then I have loaded second data set, which is a reviews data set. In review data set, there is some nan values, so with drop na I simply drop that values. Then here we have removed some text punctuations, and with to CSV file we directly downloaded our clean datasets, clean review and clean app, these datasets. After that, I have uploaded this clean dataset into a MySQL. For uploading into a MySQL, I have used MySQL Workbench. I have simply created a table with this command, and through this I have uploaded my CSV file into the MySQL. Then I have created second table, and through this command I have uploaded that second value, second table, second CSV file into the second table. Here I have created both the tables, app clean and Play Store reviews. These are the tables. In app clean I have 9,929 rows, and in Play Store review I have 27,992 values. Both the tables are ready, both the data sets are ready. So I have written a query with I have written a queries in MySQL. So in I have simply installed all the basic libraries, all the required libraries. Then I have connected MySQL with I have connected to MySQL with these instructions. This is my first query: which app is having the highest rating in the given available data sets. So I have calculated this. Second, which are the number of installs and review for both apps. Return the app with the highest review to the top. So I've calculated this by which app has the highest number of reviews. Also mention the number of reviews and category of app. So we have Facebook with this much of review and category is a social. What is the total amount of revenue generated by Google Play Store by hosting app, whether users buy app from the Google Play Store, amount considered in a revenue. So we have total revenue is 10,183. Which category of Google Play Store app has a highest number of installs? Also find out the total number of installs for the particular category. So we have category game with this much of installs. Which genre has the most number of published apps? Genre tools has the 842 apps. Provide the list of games ordered in such a way that the game has highest number of installs is displayed on the top. To avoid duplicate result, use distinct. Okay, so we have apps like Subway Surf, Candy Crush and making with this much of installs. Next, provide the list of apps that can work on Android version 4.403 and upward. So in this we have these apps with this version. How many apps from the given dataset are free? Also provide the number of paid apps. So we have 9,198 apps are free and 731 apps are paid. Which is the best dating app? Best dating app is the one having the highest number of reviews. So we have a Zeus dating app meeting single with this much of reviews. Get the number of reviews having possible sentiment, having positive sentiment, and number of reviews having negative sentiments for the app 10 best foods for compare them. So we have positive reviews 79 and negative review is 5 and comparison of both this given. Which comment of ASUS Supernote having sentiment polarity and sentiment subjectivity both as one? This is awesome this ASUS Supernote. This is having one. Get all the neutral sentiment review for app ABS training burn belly fat. So this is the result. Next, extract all negative sentiment review for Adobe Reader with their sentiment polarity and sentiment subjectivity. So this is my last query. Thank you for watching.